one. Great!
I'm here today to celebrate the unveiling of a beautiful mural, if you will, for Coca-Cola and my family's restaurants that used to be here on High Street, Comunsey's Uptown and Comunsey's Downtown. I'm privileged to be here. I'm honored. I'm very humble. And I'm so excited. Thank you, Coca-Cola, and it's good to be home.
This sign was painted, we are told, in 1953. There's some question about who actually painted it. They got relatives of two different people here who said their relatives painted it, which adds, I think, also to the fun of the event. But about 100 years ago, a little over 100 years ago, Coca-Cola started painting signs to introduce this brand new drink that no one had ever heard of on the sides of buildings. At one point, there were about 16,000 Coca-Cola wall murals across the country, and fortunately not all of them have been destroyed. And there's a great story behind how this one was discovered. There was a bank here, and when the bank was torn down, they discovered the sign. And there are a lot of stories like that across the country. And at Coca-Cola, we love this project because we love being part of the community. This is clearly part of our history.
It's absurd to have
this one.
I believe
on the right, my right, came from the Terrell bottling plant. This one came from the retail plant here in town.